Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to block people from seeing your WhatsApp status. This will help you hide your WhatsApp status and give you more privacy. The first thing you want to do is open the WhatsApp mobile application. Once you have it open, tap on the updates tab. You want to come to this section where you see these three dots and tap on these three dots. This will give you options to see all status or set your status privacy. Tap on status privacy and here you'll be able to choose who can see your WhatsApp status. You can select your contact and all your contacts will be able to see your WhatsApp status. And if you choose my contact accept, all your contacts will be able to see your status except the people you choose not to see your status. And then only share with, which allows only the people you want to see your status to be the ones who view your status. If you want specific people not to see your status, tap on my contact accept and then tap on 0 excluded. So this will pull up your contact and you can add as many people you do not want to view your status here. You can search for the contact or you can scroll through your contact list to select them. Once you found the contact you want to block from seeing your status, tap on the green check mark at the bottom and your settings will be saved. Now, when you upload any status, those people will not be able to see your status update. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to block people from seeing your WhatsApp status. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have this post notification turned on. I hope to see you guys in my next video.